If you're using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, you need a car mount that's strong, stable, and built to handle its larger size and weight. A weak mount can cause your phone to shake, slip, or even fall while you're driving. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best heavy-duty car mounts for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in 2026. Whether you need a dashboard, windshield, or air vent mount, we've picked reliable options that offer a secure grip and easy access to navigation, calls, and music. Let's get started. Number 5. Designed specifically to solve the distinct mounting challenges posed by heavy, widescreen devices, the Universal Car Phone and Tablet Suction Cup Holder offers a robust, multi-purpose mounting solution tailored for screens ranging from 4 to 12.9 inches, including the entire Samsung Galaxy Z Fold lineup, Pixel Fold, and compact tablets like the iPad mini and iPad Air. Its core purpose is to elevate and stabilize wider devices on the dashboard or windshield, allowing drivers to utilize expansive displays for navigation without obstructing their road view or removing protective phone cases. Highlighting its build and quality, the unit features a durable aluminum alloy gimbal extension arm, a full 360-degree rotating ball joint, and a deep, silicone-padded cradle clamp that guards against scratches and slips. Its most unique design aspect is the extra-large 3.5-inch sticky gel suction cup paired with a one-step vacuum lever lock, creating an exceptionally tight seal on both smooth glass and textured interior dashboard surfaces. In real-life driving scenarios, such as navigating bumpy roads, gravel paths, or sudden highway stops, the mount's rigid structural frame effectively suppresses vibration and prevents joint sagging, holding top-heavy unfolded phones rock steady in either landscape or portrait orientation. Ease of use is remarkable, as the quick-release ratcheting clamp enables effortless one-handed docking and release, while the multi-hinged extension arm permits infinite angle adjustments for optimal glare reduction. Compared to market competitors like air vent mounts from Joyroom or cup holder stands like the Mighty Mount, this suction mount provides far superior eye-level positioning and avoids blocking AC airflow or sacrificing valuable cup space, though it demands slightly more dashboard real estate. Retailing at a very competitive price point, given its metal-reinforced durability and broad universal fitment, it offers outstanding value for money over flimsier plastic mounts or expensive, failure-prone motorized wireless chargers. Overall, commuters, rideshare operators, long-haul truckers, and tech enthusiasts who leverage unfolded screens for split-screen navigation will benefit immensely from this accessory, making it an easy, high-value recommendation for any driver seeking uncompromising stability. Number 4. Here's a 350-word single-paragraph review of the VANMASS 2026 Car Phone Holder. Designed to solve the persistent issue of vehicle phone mounts slipping, sagging, or snapping under heat, the VANMASS 2026 Car Phone Holder serves as a versatile, heavy-duty 4-in-1 cradle intended for windshield, dashboard, and air vent installations across everything from compact cars to commercial trucks. Built with high-density PC plus ABS composite materials and certified with military-grade shock-proof protection, its quality and structural integrity feel immediately premium. The defining highlight of this unit is its upgraded sticky PU suction cup, engineered with a 90-plus pounds holding force, surviving extreme heat up to $194 massens and cold down to 44 massens without losing adhesion or leaving sticky residue. Complementing the suction base is a steel-core spiral vent clip that prevents vent blade damage while providing a rock-solid alternative mounting option. Its unique design aspects include a 0.7-inch deep cradle footprint, silicone-padded sidearms, and an updated lower back quick-release button that allows effortless, single-handed phone insertion and removal even when using bulky cases. In real-life driving scenarios, ranging from off-road gravel tracks to jarring highway speed bumps, the mount remains completely motionless, suppressing vibrations, so expansive displays like the iPhone 17 Pro Max remain crystal clear. The extendable 270-degree telescopic arm and 360-degree rotating ball head make adjusting glare-free viewing angles quick and intuitive. Compared to budget competitors like the iOtti Easy One Touch or basic Joyroom mounts, VANMASS offers vastly superior temperature resistance, a sturdier steel-reinforced vent mechanism, and a higher payload capacity that won't drop heavy smartphones over time. Given its exceptional build quality, washable reusable suction cup, and comprehensive 36-month warranty, it delivers outstanding value for money that easily justifies its slightly higher price point. Overall, long-distance truckers, rideshare drivers, and daily commuters who want set-it-and-forget-it security for large smartphones will benefit most, making this an enthusiastic, top-tier recommendation for any vehicle setup. Number 3. Engineered explicitly to accommodate the wide form factor of foldable smartphones, the Delobon car phone holder mount provides a specialized hands-free solution tailored for devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, Google Pixel Fold, and standard large-screen smartphones. Its core purpose is to offer an effortless docking mechanism for wider devices without requiring manual clamp adjustments, ensuring the display remains fully visible for split-screen navigation. Key features center on its mechanical gravity-adaptive lock structure, which automatically contracts the sidearms as soon as the weight of the phone rests on the bottom foot. Built from high-strength aluminum alloy, the mount offers superior heat resistance and structural durability compared to standard plastic alternatives. Its most unique design aspect is the combination of a wide-span retractable arm arrangement and a spiral hook-type air vent clip, ensuring a firm attachment to air vents while maintaining single-handed operation. In real-life driving scenarios, the auto-locking gravity system allows rapid docking and undocking during quick errands, keeping heavy folded and unfolded devices stable across normal road vibrations. However, because it relies on gravity engagement, performance can feel slightly less secure in landscape mode unless precisely angled on its 360-degree ball head. Compared to competitors like the Joyroom electric auto clamp mount, or suction-based models like VANMASS, the Delobon eliminates the need for charging cables or battery power to actuate its arms, offering a simpler mechanical design with fewer points of electronic failure. Priced reasonably for an all-metal build, it delivers solid value for money by combining quick convenience with metal construction. Overall, drivers who frequently hop in and out of their vehicles and want an effortless, non-powered vent mount for wide foldable screens will benefit most, making it a highly recommended, low-friction accessory for daily commuting. Number 2. Designed specifically to address the awkward placement and blockage issues associated with dashboard or vent mounts, the Z Fold Sun Visor car tablet holder serves as an overhead, eye-level mounting solution engineered for large devices ranging from 4 to 13 inches, including the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, Google Pixel Fold, and full-size tablets like iPads. Its primary purpose is to position expansive unfolded displays directly near the driver's upper line of sight for seamless navigation without obscuring windshield visibility or blocking air conditioning flow. Highlighting its heavy-duty build and quality, the unit features a sturdy all-metal clamp base with a 2.36-inch clip range, reinforced with anti-corrosive stainless steel and lined with soft, non-slip silicone padding to prevent visor sagging or material scratching. The standout design aspect is its versatile multi-angle adjustment system, utilizing a 360-degree rotating metal ball joint alongside standard 1/4-inch threaded screw ports, allowing users to repurpose the mount for cameras, tripods, or rear seat passenger entertainment. In real-life driving scenarios, the rigid metal visor clip stays firmly clamped during harsh road vibrations, offering a remarkably stable, overhead view that drastically reduces glare compared to dashboard-mounted setups. Ease of use is exceptional, as the spring-loaded or screw-tightened clamp permits instant attachment and quick one-handed phone docking. Compared to conventional suction or vent competitors like VANMASS or Joyroom, this visor mount eliminates suction cup degradation from windshield heat and avoids fragile vent blade strain, though overhead mounting may slightly obscure the sun visor's primary flip-down function. Retailing at a budget-friendly price point, its multifunctional utility and metal durability make it an incredible value for money compared to single-purpose plastic holders. Overall, long-distance haulers, rideshare drivers, and foldable phone enthusiasts who want optimal eye-level GPS mapping without cluttering their dash will find immense value in this accessory, making it a highly recommended choice for heavy device owners. Number 1. Engineered specifically to support oversized displays in high-vibration environments, the Charchendo heavy-duty truck tablet mount serves as a robust hands-free navigation and entertainment solution designed for large cabs, pickup trucks, SUVs, and commercial vehicles. Its primary purpose is to securely hold bulky electronics, ranging from 4 to 12.9-inch devices like the iPad Pro, iPad Air, Galaxy Tabs, and unfolded Samsung Galaxy Z Folds, without compromising line-of-sight safety. Key features center around a 7.5-inch multi-jointed metal arm, a 360-degree rotating metal ball head, an expandable silicone-padded cradle, and an extra-wide 3.35-inch reusable vacuum sticky gel suction cup. The build quality is notably rugged, replacing typical lightweight plastic components with high-density metal joints gives the entire assembly structural rigidity that effectively absorbs heavy shocks. Its most unique design aspect is the combination of an anti-wobble extension arm with a dual mounting architecture that firmly adheres to windshields, textured dashboards, or glass surfaces via an included mounting disc. In real-life scenarios, such as navigating rough terrain, construction sites, or long highway hauls, the mount holds massive screens rock steady without sag, joint slipping, or severe screen flutter. Ease of use remains high thanks to quick-adjust tightening knobs and spring-loaded cradle arms that allow simple one-handed mounting. Compared to plastic arm competitors like the iOtti Easy One Touch tablet mount, the Charchendo offers vastly superior vibration dampening, higher payload capacity, and longer reach, making it far less prone to structural failure under heavy heat or weight. Retailing at a reasonable mid-tier price point given its metal-reinforced construction, it delivers exceptional value for money over flimsier alternatives that degrade over time. Overall, long-haul truck drivers, delivery operators, field technicians, and road-tripping families who rely on large-screen GPS or split-screen multitasking will benefit immensely, making this an easy, high-value recommendation for demanding driving environments. That wraps up our list of the 5 best heavy-duty car mounts for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in 2026. Each option has its own strengths, so the right choice depends on your driving style and where you prefer to mount your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews, buying guides, and the latest tech accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.